Hey guys, this is Akshay here from Gadget Diary, and today we have with us Vivo V3 Max, which has been launched today for the Indian market. And in this video we're going to perform a benchmark test, a gaming test and a heating test on the smartphone all at the same time. We will first run all the benchmarks, show you all the benchmark scores, and after that we will be playing 3 different games on the smartphone. We will play Asphalt 8, Modern Combat 5 and Mortal Kombat X on the smartphone. So let's start with our first benchmark, that is N22 benchmark. We have ran the benchmark on the device, so let me just show you the scores which it achieves in N22 benchmark. It achieves more than 74,000 in N22 benchmark. It comes with Snapdragon 652 processor along with 4 GB of RAM, so you can expect heavy multitasking and a good gaming experience, along with 32 GB internal storage, so you don't run out of storage easily. So let's move on to our second test, that will be Geekbench 3. So here are the results for Geekbench 3 test. It scores 1547 in the single core and 4631 in the multi-core test. To give you an example how powerful this device is, you can see this device is more powerful than Samsung Galaxy S6, and in multi-core test it is more powerful than Samsung Galaxy S6, OnePlus 2, HTC Nexus 9 and many other devices. So let's move on to our third test, which will be Quadrant Standard. So here are the results for Quadrant Standard test. It has scored 33,887 in the Quadrant Standard, which is again a good score. So let's move on to our first game, which is Asphalt 8. Before that, let me just take quick initial temperature readings. So the temperature on the back is 31 degrees Celsius maximum temperature, and the maximum temperature in the front is 30.5 degrees Celsius, not very high. So let's move on to our first game. So here's our first game, Asphalt 8. We are running the game on high settings. And as you can see, the game is running very well on the smartphone. So let's take the temperature readings on this smartphone. The temperature has increased to 35 degrees. Let me just check the maximum temperature. It's 35.7 degrees on the back, and it's around 35.9 degrees in the front. So the temperature has increased after our first game. So let's see what happens after a second game, which will be Mortal Kombat X. So here's our next game, Mortal Kombat X. So let's take the temperature readings now. We have been playing this game for quite some time. So the maximum temperature on the back is around 36 degrees Celsius right now. Let me just check the entire region. Yes, it's 36 degrees Celsius in this region, and the maximum temperature in the front is around 35 degrees Celsius, not very, 36 degrees to be precise, not 35, sorry for that. So let's move on to our last game. which will be Modern Combat 5. So here's our last game, Modern Combat 5. The graphics look really good. The game is smooth. So let's take the temperature readings on the smartphone and let's see what's the final temperature. The final temperature has actually reduced to 34.5 degrees to 34 to 5, and the maximum temperature at the front is again 34.2. So we didn't find any kind of heating issues with the smartphone for 8 to 10 minutes of gaming, and the benchmark scores achieved by the smartphone were also impressive. So Vivo V3 Max is surely a great smartphone for gaming, and there is no major heating issues with the smartphone, so you can play games even for longer duration. So that's all for this video. Do hit that red subscribe button present just below the video, and see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.